Good morning. This is Colin from Watch Off the Cuff. It is April. I have to look at my thing. I just looked at it on April 12th, 2025. It's about well, I know it's 10 to 10. I open up my little shop on Saturday mornings, and I'm just trying to get a quick video in before regular customers come in today. Because I have a couple of updates, mostly about products, and a quick thank you for everyone that has subscribed to the channel, and for those of you that subscribe to my website, watchoffthecuff.com, and your support. And I'm happy to support you in trying to source and get these watchmaking supplies. So here is the update. Number one, I have got a brand new set of stocking orders from both Horotec and Bergeon. So if you've been looking at the website and trying to get some items that haven't been available, they are available now. Notably, you can see I got a few of them this time. This is the Bergeon 710 polyamide probe. So I've got a bunch of them there now in stock. I also have the 7825 spring bar tweezer tool, which is also now back in stock. It took a little while to get those. To be perfectly honest, in the watch world right now, a few companies, Bergeon included, is having some issues in terms of supply chain. It's taking a while for us to get the orders fulfilled from them. So I'm not the only one that's waiting around, I'm sure. What else for Bergeon? I have the 6400 crystal lift tool back in stock as well. And I think with very few exceptions, everything that I've previously stocked before, I now have back in stock on the Bergeon side. On the Horotec side, I have the turbo back in stock. If everybody looked at my video about how to troubleshoot a quartz watch once you put the battery in, it is working. I also have the premium oiler set back in stock, but I also have the 4-piece standalone oilers, which I did sell out of. So I have that standalone set of little oilers there back in stock as well. I also was waiting for the movement holders. So I have movement holders back in stock. And I also have the little guy here that you put the screwdriver in to hone screwdriver. So that like screwdriver honing tool on the little roller, you put it in there and you roll it back and forth. I have those back in stock, and I did wait for a little while and was having trouble keeping these in stock as well, which is an Arkansas stone in a base, which works well with this. You can always use a regular like India stone as well, but this has been popular. So anyway, I have this back in stock as well. What else? I think that's it. In terms of the website, I now have a huge selection of die kits. Firstly, for a regular press like this, a crystal press. So all of the Delrin dies. So sometimes you might have your regular set, but you need like very large, or you're pressing very domed, because the standard dies that come with this can be a little bit shallow. So I have basically every configuration possibly known to man. Some of the kits are pretty, I was gonna say expensive. They are extensive, which means the price is pretty hefty. If you're looking at a kit and you are like, listen, Colin, I just need this one die, I can special order you the one die. So just let me know and we can figure it out. So there's a huge amount of dies on that. Those white Delrin dies like this will work both on this, premium press, but it will also work on a smaller, which I just don't have it at hand here. Oh, I have it. I'm not going to just show it. It'll also work on the smaller press. No, that's something else entirely. That's a different press. Anyway, I have those stock, which is the mini press that you can screw down instead. So they're compatible. Basically anything with a 6mm coarse thread, which is fairly kind of industry standard, you can swap. So if you've got either a fancy Horotec one or a simpler Horotec one with a screw connection, then you're good to go. So then the other side is, if you're looking at case back dies, I also have them as special order on the site as well. Same thing, some of them have very extensive selections. But if you just need one, just contact me and I can quote you the price to just get the one. It's available as a single. For those of you that don't have a big press or a smaller screw press, which I think that was one I had here, I keep in stock the mini press version of this if you're looking for it. I was going to say, no, I can't. What was it? We're talking about I'm not even going to edit this out. That's going to drive some people crazy, but I'm just going to leave it. What was I talking about? Okay, we got the mini press. Okay. So I have it. So for example, I said we could order the single ones. I have them available for Rolex, Breitling, the Omega Seamaster. Did I say Panerai? So anyway, it's quite. I can get the single. I can get the single things. Oh, I know what I was going to say. If you don't have a big press like this or the mini press, you can also special order just a handle with a shaft on it that meets the connection for that die. So I think it's about $100. So instead of having to go full out on a full press, then you could just get that. And again, if you need a single die, like you're working on a Breitling, away you go. I have found that with the ones that I can currently get on the Breitling dies in particular, is that I did have somebody, a customer, and I wasn't able to get the die. There's, I think, 4 in the kit, which is a pretty good, like, extensive things, and it shows you how to measure and how to size so you order the right one. But the problem with Breitling is that even the people in the boutiques don't have the dies. They don't release them to anybody. So someone else, not Breitling, is making the dies. But it would be the same thing. I don't think Rolex release. I'm sure they don't. Well, I mean, to their own people, Rolex would. But Breitling doesn't even release into their own distribution center. They always want it to come back to them. But anyway, yeah, so I think the Rolex. If you're looking at getting a kit like this, like the big one, it comes with the suction dies, the Rolex dies, the Bowman Mercier dies. But the other thing about anything you see on the website as well is the catalog. I mean, for Horotec and Bergeon is the same, and they're coming out with a new catalog too. There's a if you're looking for something, just like give me a call and we'll try to figure it out. I think that the problem I had when I started out in this game is that I didn't even know that some of the stuff existed, and then later I realized I made some maybe not optimal purchases, knowing that if I'd spent either a little bit more, it would have done everything that I needed instead of me buying inferior tools, like, 2 or 3 of them to try to get the same thing accomplished. And, I mean, watchmaking people, they're smart. They have ways of like solving problems that the bench you are dealing with that you may not have thought about. So there's a huge thing. So anyway, I think that I probably ranted on. People say they either love these ranting videos or they hate them. So for that, I apologize. But thanks to everyone. This will also go out to the mailing list for Watch Off the Cuff. So people that have bought from me in the past have this little bit of an update. I'd be interested to see what you think about getting a YouTube video email to you, and whether that's something that's of interest to you as well. You can give me feedback. I can take it. So anyway, as always, thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Until next time, cheers.